Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be diving into the topic, the future of robotics, are machines taking over? In a world where technology is evolving at lightning speed, one question keeps coming up: are machines taking over? The rapid advancement of robotics is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. But what does the future hold for us as humans? And what role will robots play in it? Robots are no longer a figment of our imagination or confined to sci-fi movies. From self-driving cars to AI assistants like Alexa and Siri, the future of robotics is already here. But as robots become more integrated into our everyday lives, one question looms larger than ever: are machines taking over? In today's video, we'll explore the evolution of robotics, the impact on our jobs, ethical concerns, and what the future holds for human-robot collaboration. Robots have come a long way since the first basic machines appeared in factories in the mid-20th century. Initially, robots were nothing more than automated arms used for repetitive tasks like assembly line work. These early robots were impressive, but limited. They followed strict, pre-programmed instructions and couldn't adapt to their environment. But over the decades, robots became smarter. Advances in computing power, sensors, and artificial intelligence have given robots the ability to learn and adapt, dramatically expanding their potential. We've gone from basic mechanical arms to highly sophisticated robots that can walk, talk, and even make decisions. Today, robots can perform complex tasks like performing surgeries, teaching students, and even providing emotional support. But these advances have raised a new wave of concerns, from job displacement to ethical dilemmas, which leads us to ask, what happens next? Right now, robotics is impacting nearly every sector of our economy. In healthcare, robotic surgeons assist with delicate, high-precision operations. In agriculture, drones monitor crops and deliver targeted pesticides. In warehouses, robotic systems like Amazon's Kiva robots pick and pack goods efficiently, reducing human error and speeding up logistics. Robots are also helping in fields you might not expect. For instance, in education, robots like SoftBank's Pepper are being used to engage students in personalized learning experiences. And in the service industry, robots are increasingly being deployed to handle customer service tasks, from delivering food to providing support at hotel check-ins. But the role of robotics isn't limited to just everyday tasks. In the military, autonomous drones are being tested for surveillance and defense purposes. Autonomous vehicles, such as self-driving cars, are another frontier, bringing both promise and controversy. These technologies are revolutionizing industries by increasing efficiency, accuracy, and speed. But they also raise significant concerns about what it means for human workers. As robots become more advanced, could they replace us? One of the most pressing concerns about robotics is the impact on jobs. Automation has already transformed industries like manufacturing, where robots have taken over repetitive, physically demanding tasks. The rise of automation has contributed to the loss of millions of factory jobs globally. However, it's not just blue-collar jobs at risk. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, white-collar jobs could also be impacted. Tasks like data entry, customer service, even some aspects of legal and medical professions are becoming automated. Still, experts argue that while robots may replace some jobs, they also create new opportunities. Jobs in fields like AI training, robotics engineering, and robot maintenance are growing rapidly. As machines take over routine tasks, humans will need to develop new skills to stay relevant. But this shift could also widen the gap between those who adapt and those who don't. The rise of robotics also brings a host of ethical concerns. As machines take on more responsibility, we need to ask, can we trust them with tasks that involve complex human emotions and ethical judgments? One major issue is bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data reflects human prejudices, the robots could inherit those biases. For instance, facial recognition technologies have been criticized for being less accurate when identifying people of color, raising concerns about bias in law enforcement and surveillance. Another ethical question revolves around accountability. If a self-driving car causes an accident or a robot makes a wrong medical decision, who's to blame? The developer, the manufacturer, or the robot itself? So what does the future hold for robotics? Many experts believe that the future will be defined by collaboration, not competition. Robots will complement human efforts, taking on tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or too complex, while humans focus on creativity, problem-solving, and interpersonal tasks. In healthcare, robots can handle repetitive, time-consuming tasks like monitoring patients, allowing doctors to focus on critical care. In manufacturing, robots could collaborate with human workers, taking on heavy lifting while workers focus on more delicate tasks that require human judgment. Smart cities of the future could see robots handling everything from cleaning streets to managing traffic, creating a more efficient, harmonious urban environment. But with great power comes great responsibility. Governments around the world are scrambling to create policies and regulations that keep up with the rapid advancements in robotics. From issues of robot rights to the ethical use of autonomous systems in law enforcement, the need for comprehensive regulation is more urgent than ever. The challenge lies in creating regulations that foster innovation while also protecting individuals from potential harm. The future of robotics will be shaped not only by technological advances but by the laws and policies that govern them. So, are machines taking over? While robots are becoming more capable, they are not here to replace us, but to work alongside us. The future of robotics is about collaboration, humans and machines working together to create a better, more efficient world. The key will be ensuring that this technological evolution benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. What do you think? Are you excited about the future of robotics, or do you have concerns about machines taking over? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.